Julie. Just walk him up and down. Just keep him out here.
They're gonna pull it now. Yeah, all the way over here.
Now come back over here.
Look him under the boat. Look
There you go.
there.
He's under the boat. Just let him tire himself out.
Got a nice little fight there.
Come this way. Come this way. Come this way. Come, bring him over this way. Don't let him wrap around the pillar.
He's over here now.
Keep him close.
Over here now.
He's right here.
Right there. Yeah, it's a big one. Go ahead, but give my hand, man.
She'll tell me when. Don't come down here. 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 Keep him low. Come down. Pull him. He's going. Let's go on the boat.
Gone.
I couldn't do it anymore.
That's-
Above the line.
How was that?